Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the latest innovation in the world of television, the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED. Sony is taking TV technology to an entirely new level with this 2025 flagship model, boasting incredible brightness, deeper blacks, and an upgraded cognitive processor XR. But is this truly the best mini LED TV of the year? In this in-depth review, we'll analyze its picture quality, performance, and whether it's a worthy upgrade for your home entertainment setup. If you're excited about cutting-edge TV technology, hit that subscribe button and stick around to see if the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED lives up to the hype. Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED, a revolution in display technology. The Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED is rumored to be Sony's most advanced television yet, designed to compete head-to-head with industry giants like Samsung's Neo QLED and LG's OLED Evo. Lineup: with enhanced mini LED technology, an improved cognitive processor XR, and state-of-the-art gaming features, this TV is built for both cinephiles and hardcore gamers. If the leaks and early reports are accurate, the Bravia 10 could set a new gold standard in premium home entertainment. Let's break down its top features and what makes it stand out. Upgraded Mini LED display, a game-changer. One of the biggest upgrades in the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED is its significant leap in Mini LED technology. Traditional LED panels have struggled with contrast control, but Mini LED panels, thanks to thousands of dimming zones, offer unprecedented precision. Sony is rumored to have fine-tuned its Mini LED implementation, pushing peak brightness beyond 2500 nits. This would result in stunning HDR content, even in brightly lit environments, making movies and sports look more vibrant and lifelike. With this level of brightness, Sony is positioning itself as a serious competitor to Samsung's Neo QLED lineup and LG's latest OLED TVs. Mini LED has the unique advantage of delivering superior brightness while reducing blooming effects, making it an excellent alternative for those concerned about OLED burn-in issues. Next-gen gaming features, a must-have for gamers will be pleased to know that the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED is expected to come with full HDMI 2.1 support, ensuring 4K gaming at 120 Hz, variable refresh rate, auto-low latency mode, and possibly Dolby Vision gaming. Sony's continued focus on PlayStation 5 optimization means features like auto HDR tone mapping and enhanced latency settings will likely be included. Another exciting rumor suggests that the Bravia 10 could support a 240 Hz refresh rate at 1080p, making it an attractive choice for competitive gamers seeking ultra-smooth gameplay. If confirmed, this would position the Bravia 10 as one of the best gaming TVs of 2025. Advanced Cognitive Processor XR, smarter AI for better image processing. Sony's Cognitive Processor XR has been a key differentiator in recent years, utilizing AI-driven enhancements to improve picture quality dynamically. The Bravia 10 is expected to feature an even more advanced version, possibly the XR Gen 3 or XR Pro, delivering improvements in motion clarity, color accuracy, and real-time contrast adjustments. This means better upscaling, sharper images, and a more lifelike viewing experience. With AI-powered image processing, Sony aims to fine-tune picture details on a per-pixel level, making sure that scenes are as close to reality as possible. Whether you're watching fast-paced sports, cinematic movies, or gaming, the XR processor is designed to optimize every frame. Acoustic Multi-Audio Plus and Dolby Atmos. Immersive sound. Like never before, Sony isn't just focusing on visuals. The Bravia 10 is also rumored to feature an upgraded Acoustic Multi-Audio Plus system. This could bring advanced directional sound placement, ensuring that audio aligns perfectly with on-screen action. Coupled with Dolby Atmos support, viewers can expect an immersive 3D sound experience without requiring external speakers. Additionally, AI-powered sound upscaling might make dialogue crisper, and if Sony enhances its built-in subwoofers, it could eliminate the need for a separate soundbar altogether. If executed well, this could make the Bravia 10 the best all-in-one entertainment solution. Sleek design with ultra-thin bezel. Sony has always been known for its sleek and minimalist TV designs. The Bravia 10 is expected to feature an ultra-thin bezel, giving it a premium, borderless look. Some rumors even suggest that Sony may introduce a wireless model similar to LG's M40 Connect TV. If true, this would be a huge leap forward in home entertainment setups, offering clean cable management and enhanced aesthetic appeal. Smart features. Google TV with AI-powered enhancements. Sony continues its partnership with Google TV, and the Bravia 10 is set to deliver an even smarter user experience. Leaks suggest that we can expect faster navigation, AI-driven content recommendations, voice control through Google Assistant, Apple, AirPlay 2, HomeKit, and Alexa compatibility. These features would ensure seamless integration with smart home ecosystems, making the Bravia 10 an excellent choice for tech-savvy users. Expected price and release date. The Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED is expected to be priced in the premium category, competing directly with Samsung's QN95D series, LG's OLED Evo G4, and Sony's high-end OLED lineup. Based on previous models, here's a rough estimate of pricing: 55-inch, $2,000, 2500 65-inch, $2,800, 3500 75-inch, $4,000, 4500 85-inch, 5500 plus A's for the release date. Sony typically announces its flagship TVs at CES in January, with availability rolling out between March and June. Pre-orders for the Bravia 10 Mini LED could open as early as April 2025, with full availability by June 2025. Final thoughts. Is the Sony Bravia 10 worth it? If the leaks are accurate, the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED could be one of the most powerful and feature-rich TVs of 2025. With a brighter mini LED panel, next-gen AI processing, gamer-friendly features, and immersive sound, Sony is aiming to set a new benchmark in home entertainment. For those who want top-tier performance without OLED burn-in risks, this could be the perfect alternative. Thank you for watching Techno Trend Zone. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews, guides, and more.